My name is Anupama. I'm from Karnataka. He is my son. His name is Vihan, and he is 1 year 9 months old. He is having a West syndrome, which is infantile spasm. At birth, everything was normal, and I had a normal delivery. His weight was 2.7 kg. After the birth of 2 days, the baby has got fits. Doctor said that it is due to hypoglycemia, and he was in NICU care for 9 days, and there was no medication was started for the baby. He's having squint eyes, so the doctor said to do eye patch. After doing it just for 3 days, he was attacked by infantile spasm again when he was 6 months old. MRI and EEG has been done, and the MRI report says that the damage in the brain, and EEG was abnormal. From then the medication has started, and we were giving him. Hello, Nishi ma'am. Hello, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Nishi ma'am and Dr. Ashish sir and the Nadi Yoga team. I'm so glad to share the improvements of Vihan after 1 month of Nadi Yoga treatment. We are happy to see a tremendous and miraculous changes in Vihan by Nadi Yoga. These are the major improvements. Neck holding and his eye contact is getting better now. And I'm so happy to say that Vihan is calling me Amma. He has started to speak some words. He has become more active now. And about the jerks, usually around 40 jerks he used to get in a day. Now it has been reduced to 4 to 5 jerks in a day, and some days it will be just 2 to 3 jerks. The intensity and the frequency of jerks has been reduced, and he is balancing his body now. Sitting and standing balancing is getting better now, and he is trying to stand for few seconds. His immunity and strength has been improved, and I'm so happy about the diet plan which you have given. And also I would like to share the experience of modified oxygen therapy. Actually it is a miraculous therapy, miraculous treatment, I would like to say. uh, while doing the therapy, there was a instant changes, improvements in Vihan. So I'm very happy about the Nadi Yoga. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.